These channels are making hundreds of thousands of dollars, if not millions of dollars, without even showing their face. That is wild. In this channel, I'm gonna go to nothing to hopefully a thriving faceless YouTube channel. But not only faceless, it's YouTube automation. Okay, first we need to pick a niche here. Now, I got a couple niches that I was thinking of doing. But if we want to make the most amount of money with a faceless YouTube automation channel, we gotta pick the most expensive niche for ads. That is the finance niche. I know from my personal channel, which you're watching, it makes some serious cash. Like, look at this video. It's my Pinterest video with 700,000 views. It made me 6,000 bucks. I didn't even think that was possible. I can't even imagine what all these finance YouTubers are making. So I'm going to be using 3 tools to get me started on this. 1, Cohesive AI. Cohesive AI can do a ton of things, and we're going to be using this to use our YouTube scripts and also our voiceovers. Our next is going to be Canva. We're going to be editing our thumbnail designs and also putting in designs into our editing software to make the video more appealing. Number 3 is CapCut, our editing software. We're going to be using this to edit our whole video, chop it up, bang, bang, get the video done. All these things will be linked in the description down below except for CapCut because you could just type up CapCut. So I mentioned we want to make a finance channel. So what are we going to be talking about? Let's talk about 5 passive income things. So let's go over to Cohesive AI to create our YouTube script. So I'm on Cohesive AI right here, and what we're going to do is press on this. This is for the YouTube script video. Now I know you probably want to do everything yourself, but it's better to use these tools to do it for you because we need to spend the time on editing this video. Okay, so we click YouTube script right here, and now we have to come up with something. So again, we want to talk about 5 passive income ideas. So let's just say we want to write a video on the 5 best passive income ideas, make it persuading and all this stuff. So I'm just going to say the 5 best passive income sources to make money. That is very original. Look at that, writing it for us. Let me take a snooze real quick. Boom, bada bang, we have it ready. And look at that, right here we got the AI voices, so we can use this pretty easy. I'm gonna go ahead and pick a voice here to see which one I like. All right, I like Adam just because Adam's a beast and he sounds pretty masculine. We're gonna go with Adam here. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, we have all this stuff. Look at all this. We're just gonna download everything here and we're gonna put it all into CapCut. So open up CapCut. I'm doing it on my PC. But you can do it on your phone or whatever you want. It's totally okay. Okay, we got a new project up here and I'm just gonna slide in all the things I need to. Boom, bada bang, we got one covered. Okay, that's done. What I did here is I cut out a bunch of stuff in the audio and I just put this image over it so I don't have as the audio. You'll see what I mean. It's pretty easy. But this is what we got.
5 best passive income sources to make money. Do you know what's great?
Cool. Okay, we got to edit that a little bit. It's not that fluent, so we got to edit it together and it'll sound great. But now we got to have the images come above. Ooh. This is a shorter video, so I wanted this to become a short. The reason why I wanted it to become a short is because we can get views very fast. When you get views very fast, you get a following very fast, and that's how you build income very fast.
Okay, so I went ahead and edited the whole video. Sorry I sound horrible. I'm in Italy, so be quiet.
Video is done. It has been edited. It took a couple hours, but we got it back and this is what it looks like.
5 best passive income sources to make money. Do you know what's great about making money without putting in too much effort? You can do the things you love, all while having money pouring in. That's why it's essential to know the different ways of having passive income.
So that's the video. Very simple, didn't take long at all, and it will work for what we need. Remember, these are the first couple of videos, so you want to make it catchy. Short videos are what I'm going for. I use Cohesive AI for the voiceover, the YouTube script, and I'm going to use it for the description and the title. So I used all of it for that. Now we're going to use Canva. Again, links to all these are in the description down below. Okay, so I'm on Canva right here and I want to make something simple. Let me pull up some thumbnails that I like. I'll put them up here. These are some faceless YouTube channels and they have very good thumbnails and I'm basically just going to copy them. So I'm going to use a bunch of phones. I'm going to make the background like a cool color. Remember, when it comes to YouTube, any YouTube, everybody clickbaits. Like, I'll keep it a buck with you. I clickbait on a lot of my thumbnails too. It's just how YouTube works. You can't get anywhere if you don't do it. And it has to be appealing for the person to click on and show they have value for them. So that's what we're going to have to do here. So I just pulled up this thing right here. It's just lots of PayPal money. That's all I searched up. We can actually use this hand. It would look, I think, pretty good if we did this. Let's try to make this hand look like it's showing a bunch of money in PayPal. This seems very legitimate. All right, we're just gonna place this over here, overlay it. Boom, that's already done. I'm gonna stick with the one phone because I think it looks better. We're gonna make this cool title thing. I'm not the greatest at thumbnails, but you don't need to be great to get views. You have this design feature up here, and I'm just gonna pull some cool stuff out of here. Look at that, we just copied that, and now we're gonna paste it in here, and now we can move this however we want. See how simple that was? 10,000 a day. Remember, we gotta get views quick, man. We gotta do this quick. Instead of this here, we'll do this, and then we'll make this bigger. Okay, maybe not $10,000 a day. That's very unbelievable. We'll say $1,000 a day. Not gonna lie with you, it's not horrible for our first thumbnail. I think a lot of people will click on it. Example, the thumbnails I'm showing up here, like, they're not that great of thumbnails. They're pretty bad. Okay, they're decent. And look how many views they got. They got an insane amount of views, and they're okay thumbnails. Not even great. I could tell a lot of them use these templates. So this is what we're gonna be using. We're gonna download this. We're gonna put the video together. We're gonna use the description, the title thing from Cohesive, and then we're gonna post it. First, we need to make a new channel. So let's make a new channel. We're gonna be using this as a finance channel to see how stuff goes. Who knows, we may do more of these videos in the future. So this is gonna be our YouTube automation finance channel. What are we gonna call it? I don't know. Dr. Dollar. I like that because the doctor is teaching you money. Dr. Dollar. Handle Dr. Dollar. Easy bucket. We got to get a logo for Dr. Dollar. I'm just gonna take one off the web. I really like this one, so I'm gonna save this one. Oh, this kind of sucks. You see these analytics? Okay, let me tell you, this is gonna be the next $1 million a month channel right here. Go subscribe to Dr. Dollar, watch all the videos, like and subscribe, do everything. Donate money to Dr. Dollar, okay? Let's upload our video. Okay, it's uploading. Now we gotta do the title and description, so let's go back over to Cohesive AI. So what is our video about again? Top ways to make passive income fast. Okay, so I basically asked Cohesive to give me 10 titles. It's gonna give me some titles, and we're gonna pick which one we like. Okay, so I like the first one. I'm just gonna edit it a little bit. Okay, so we changed it a little bit and we went with the guru title. You see these all over YouTube. I used to do these myself, which I'm very ashamed of. Please forgive me. It said easily make $1,000 today with passive income. That's not true. You're not gonna do it that fast, but it's a growing channel, so we gotta start and do it with that. And we can see we have our video there. We gotta upload the thumbnail, but we gotta verify first. There we go. We verified it. Now we're able to put our thumbnail on. So back in our YouTube script in the bottom, if you don't remember, we have YouTube subscription here, video description. I'm just gonna copy this and paste it in. I'm not gonna do any playlist, but this is very important, so pay attention. We're gonna be doing the tag. So this video by Joshua Mayo right here is called 4 Lazy Ways to Make Money. Anyways, it doesn't matter, but the point is we're gonna use his tags for it. It got 1.1 million views, you know, so he's banking off that. So to do this, I just went to this thing called Online Free Tools, blah blah blah. It just extracts tags. Normally I would use TubeBuddy, but it's not working on my account right now since I think I signed in with the new one, which is Dr. Dollar. But as you can see here, we just pasted in the URL and we have all these things right here. I'm gonna copy all of these. We're gonna go back over and we're gonna go boop. Oops, there we go. We just pasted it in and there we go. We got all our tags ready. We're gonna go down here and I'm gonna do education, publish. There we go. Our first video is live and I'll tell you guys what happened. So we'll catch up with you guys in a couple days here. I am going on a business trip, so you're gonna see my iPhone. It's okay if you see me on my iPhone because all we're doing is reviewing and see how well it did. So yeah, I'll see you guys then. I'll be in Italy actually, so see you guys in Italy. What's up everybody, I'm back from Italy. I was supposed to meet you in Italy, but guess what? I got lazy and I did not record. Really quickly, because I know you don't care, I'm just going to show you a couple pictures, you know. Boom, 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 whatever I showed. I don't know, I hope it's not embarrassing. Anyway, let's get to it. I may have shared a story of the video, like a quick one-day promotion of it, to 6,000 followers. Okay, so how many clicks did I get? I don't know. I'm expecting I got maybe 800 views, maybe 1,000 views, but that kind of kick-started it. We're on here right now. We're gonna reload this ting. Well, looks like we don't know how many views we got because my page will not load. So it has 3,700 views. Now here's the problem. I have 6 subscribers, so that can tell you something. But again, organically, we got 2,000 views from this, is my guess. Because there's no shot 6,000 Instagram followers are getting me almost 4,000 views. We click on the video here, we have 54 likes, and for the comments, these guys, I don't even know who they are, honestly. I have nothing to do with them. But what I saw from this is we got about $2,000 in organic views, and we got 6 subscribers. 2 subscribers may have been myself, but hey, it's okay. Maybe that's the trick to starting YouTube automation faster than anybody else. I don't know. You didn't hear it from me. You didn't hear it from me. Quick little $10, $15 story on like an 8,000 follower account. Hey, boost your video. I don't know. Could work. So that's very interesting, and maybe that's the way to go when you're starting a new YouTube channel. Ever thought of that? I didn't. Till now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did like the video, make sure to like and subscribe. I have everything in the description down below. And if you want me to continue on this channel, like if we get 2,000 likes on this video, I will make another video like this. If we don't get 2,000 likes on this video, I will never make another video like this again. Okay, fine. I'll bring it down to 1.5k likes, okay? Okay, 1.5. 1,500 likes, I'll do it again. I sound like a vlogger right now. Anyways, I'm tired. I'm going to bed. I got school, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.